Hey, this is Jim Bergman with measureQuick. We had a chance to get the new Testo long-range probes tied into the measureQuick application, so I know a lot of you guys are going to want to start using that, and I want to just show you what we have going on and show you a little bit about how the range has improved on these probes. So what I've got tied in here, I've got the 115i, which is the temperature probes, the 549i, which is the pressure probes. So I've got high and low pressure, liquid line, suction line. Over here, I've got the 605i, which is the temperature and humidity probe. This has got a magnetic back on it now. It's also got a magnet up here on the front, but I got this tied in so I can measure my outdoor air temperature. Up here, I've got the supply air temperature probe here. You can see they also got a magnet on this so that we can put this in, tie it in. None of these probes are connected. I got one more probe in the back here. So come over here for just a second. I want to show you, I'm going to click on the probes here and go to the probe manager, how fast we got these coming in. Because one of the challenges is these probes weren't coming in fast initially. We figured out in measureQuick how to get that done. So you can see those almost connect immediately to the application. The Bluetooth on these doesn't flash because these are connected tools. So these are just going to continue to feed here. And let's turn around here so you can see, we're going to go through the shop here. So quite a bit of stuff. We're in TruTech Tools warehouse here. So you can see their boxes of Testo smart probes here. They got tons of them ready to go. So we're going to sort of walk outside, and just to give you this is probably somewhere around 150 to 200 feet diagonally where we're going here. And you can see obviously here we're still connected nice and strong here. So we're going to go outdoors here though and see how this works. So we got a metal door here, and we'll just walk out a little ways here. So now we're outside the building. Obviously we're still connected in. Everything's connected strong. We're not losing any signals. I'm just going to continue to walk back here, see how far we can get before we actually lose the signal here. So now we're just starting to drop out here. And I think it's important to see this because you can see some of them are dropping out now. What we got here is the pressure probes dropping out. And the reason they're dropping out is because they're the ones that are lowest down. So depending on the height, some of these are up higher and lower. They're going to come in. But you can see we're right on the threshold where they're connecting and disconnecting. And if I move back in range here, just a couple of feet, we'll see if this last line temperature one connects back in. So now they'll start to connect back in. So definitely improved range on these probes, and we've seen these things connect, disconnect, but they connect in very, very quickly again. If we lose the connection, you just got to move back into range. But definitely a huge improvement over the old probes. We've got a skylight. I'll map out where that unit was at, out to about this parking lot so we can get a good measurement here. But if you look at the building over here, this is all cinder block here, drywalled on the inside, steel studded. So it's a pretty significant amount of building to go through, but overall really, really impressive. Good job, Testo. This is something you guys really, really needed to do. This is Jim Bergman with measureQuick. Thanks a lot for watching.